Henry, yesterday
Oh,
we worked on this letter. Take a look with your eyes.
oh, let me get this. There.
Okay, look at this. Yesterday we worked with this letter. Get your lips ready for that sound. You're puckering your lips. Get your lips together.
Okay.
And what sound do we make? Very good. Just like in the word marker. Say marker.
Marker.
Now look at the letter and say, what sound? Good
Marker.
job. Oh, that's the word. Tell me the sound. Good job. Okay, today. Oh, I want to give you something different today. Look at, I want to give you this. Today, we get to work on this sound. Yeah, you can show them that.
It's stinky.
It's stinky. Yes, it is stinky. Say, oh, look at my mouth. My lips are open a little bit. Put your hand in front of your mouth and make that sound.
We feel air.
You feel air. Yes, good. You ready to see who can hold out that sound? Ready? You see if you can win today. Oh, you won again. So when we see this letter, this is the letter S. When we see this letter, we say S. Good job. If I move it over here, what sound do we say? Okay, this is the letter S. When I see this letter, I can say what sound? Good job. Just like in skunk or stinky. Stinky skunk. Good job.